Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about the point size settings in AutoCAD. So basically what happens when you do is divide a line or a shape or anything. So for instance we're going with a line, and then we write divide, and then we select the object to be divided, and we write the equal divisions that we want. So what happened right now is that the software has divided the line in four parts, but we are not able to see the points because of the wrong point style settings. So for that, what you have to do is just have to type the command point style and press enter, and you just have to do is specify points, which is right over here. So as you can see now, this is the point. Now you have to do is go in properties, and you can now change however you want your point to be. So these are the options that you will get, same as you do with your line. So that's all. That is it. That's all you have to do to actually edit any point. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.